We all have heard manifest whatever you want or visualize whatever you need in life. But you know, the truth which no one tells you about is that you should never manifest what's gone. See, because whatever left for a reason, okay? And sometimes the deepest spiritual power lies not in wanting something which left, but in releasing it completely. And actually, there is a universal science behind this. So, let us understand the energies behind this manifestation process and why you should not manifest what is already gone from your life. So, everything in this universe actually moves based on the vibrations, okay? People, situations, circumstances, opportunities, everything is energy. And if you understand it more deeply, then what happens is that this universe actually removes things from your life through Prakriti so that your evolution can happen. And this is actually a universe's way of telling you that you no longer align with that version of you which you were there, okay? And if you understand law of vibration, then what happens is that, for example, you want to manifest what is already gone. That means that you actually want to go back in your old frequencies. Because देखो समझो, अगर तुम्हारी लाइफ से कुछ गया है, उसका मतलब यही है कि वो जो वाइब्रेशंस थी तुम्हारी, वो उससे अलाइन नहीं करती थी, ओके? एंड एक्चुअली योर वाइब्रेशंस वर हायर दैन द फ्रीक्वेंसीज और पीपल एट दैट टाइम, ओके? एंड क्या होता है कि जब तुम्हारी लाइफ से चीज़ें निकलने लगती है, then understand that you are actually stepping into a higher reality. अब फॉर एग्जाम्पल कि ये एक हायर रियलिटी है, बट अगर तुम वही ओल्ड सेल्फ हो तो तुम इस रियलिटी में एंटर नहीं कर सकते, बिकॉज इस रियलिटी में होने के लिए योर वाइब्रेशनल फ्रीक्वेंसीज हैव टू बी डिफरेंट, दे हैव टू बी हायर, दे कैन नॉट बी इन द स्टेट ऑफ लैक. और हमारी प्रॉब्लम यही है कि हम हमेशा यही सोचते रहते हैं दैट वाई थिंग्स and situations and people are leaving us. It's just based on your vibrations. And understand that manifestation is not about control. It's about alignment with your higher self. It's about alignment. And trust me, whatever is meant for you, जो भी तुम्हारी vibrational frequency के हिसाब से होगा, those things will actually automatically come to you. You don't have to lower your vibrations to stay with people or situations. You have to understand this. Whenever you manifest with pain and fear, that shows that you are in a vibrational frequency of lack, और वो चीज़ और ज़्यादा होती रहेगी because you are in a lack frequency. But when you shift your frequency and you actually surrender those things which left you, then you understand that why those things happened. Those things happened so that you could evolve in your life, so that you could actually enter into a higher reality. Life is all about change and change is constant. कृष्ण ने पूरी भगवद गीता में यही समझाया है that change is constant. Nothing is permanent, okay? And even you are changing realities. You are shifting into different consciousness. You are shifting into different realities. You cannot always remain on the same reality. And you can understand this in terms of neuroscience also. Neuroplasticity या फिर जो भी हमारा brain new neural pathways बनाता है, उसका क्या मतलब है कि हमेशा चीज़ें चेंज होती रहेंगी. यू विल स्टेप इन टू हायर रियलिटीज़ एंड यू विल स्टेप इन टू डिफरेंट वर्जन्स ऑफ यू. सो वेन यू मैनिफेस्ट फ्रॉम द स्टेट ऑफ प्योरिटी, होलनेस एंड पीस, देन द रियल मैजिक हैपन्स. एंड उस मैजिक में व्हाट हैपन्स इज दैट जब हमने उन चीज़ों को पीस से मैनिफेस्ट किया, तो जो हमारे लिए होगी, जो हमारी उस हायर रियलिटी की वाइब्रेशनल फ्रीक्वेंसी के हिसाब से होगी, दोज थिंग्स विल ऑटोमेटिकली फॉल इन टू प्लेस. दैट इज़ वाई वी से दैट वट एवर इज मेंट फॉर you will automatically fall into place, and you no longer have to lower your vibrations to keep people or situations in your life. जब तुम रियल होते हो, when you are in your authentic true self, authenticity is also very high in the table of frequency, okay? And जब तुम authentic होते हो, जब तुम pretend नहीं कर रहे who you are not, then automatically जो भी चीज़ें जाएंगी, that means they all are false. because you are real, and the things which have actually gone were not real, were fake. So you have to understand is that when you are being you, and when you are in your truest authentic self, the things which will leave you were false, and whatever things will come to you are real. And there is a very beautiful law of universe which is the law of balance. कभी भी universe चीज़ें subtract नहीं करेगा अगर उसको add नहीं करना होगा. So whatever is being subtracted from your life, other things will add into your life because universe works on balance. अगर तुम पुरानी चीज़ों को जाने नहीं दोगे तो नई चीज़ें तुम्हारी लाइफ में एंटर नहीं कर सकती. सो इफ़ यू आर लॉन्गिंग फॉर द पास्ट, ओके, देन यूनिवर्स विल नेवर गिव यू व्हाट ट्रूली इज मेंट फॉर यू, बिकॉज तुम पीछे देख रहे हो एंड योर लाइफ इज एक्चुअली अहेड ऑफ यू. हैव टू टेक अ स्टेप फॉरवर्ड टू नो व्हाट इज एक्चुअली देयर. एंड भगवद गीता में भी कृष्ण अर्जुन को यही बोलते हैं दैट do not chase outcome, okay, just do your actions, fulfill your actions. जो भी outcome होगा वो तुम्हारे लिए best ही होगा. You do your actions, you move forward, you rise above your mind, you rise above confusion and just do your work. And same goes with life. Universe ने अगर एक door close किया है, that means that there is another door for you which will be opened. And you know, sometimes situations, people and circumstances comes in your life to activate that particular thing in you, and that particular thing could be a strength, could be wisdom, could be independence or something like that. और जब तक वो चीज़ activate नहीं होगी, we can't evolve. So maybe that situation or those people were there in your life to activate that energy in you. And you know, when that thing gets activated in your life, automatically those people dissolves because they have actually fulfilled a particular lesson in your life. You have learned your lesson, you move forward because life is ever changing and you are here to evolve. And now if you connect this aspect with the subconscious mind perception, then what happens is that हमारे subconscious mind को past या future के बारे में पता नहीं होता, okay? It does not know what is past and what is future. It just acts based on the dominant feeling or energy you have. So whatever you are feeling constantly will go into your subconscious mind. Now when you always say that I want that person back or I want that situation and my old self back, then you are showing a frequency of lack and you will not be able to move forward. But instead of this, when you say that okay, whatever has happened and you accept life, then what happens is that your subconscious mind will actually show you abundance in your life. So we should always have faith and we should always move forward because there are doors waiting for you to get opened. And this particular shift in your awareness, in your consciousness, in your acceptance कि हाँ मेरे साथ ऐसा कुछ हुआ है, and when you move forward, this shift in your awareness creates manifestation. Now things which will actually align with you will fall into your life because now you are in alignment with your truest self and you are in that evolved frequency. So automatically जो चीज़ें तुमने सोची भी नहीं होंगी, those things will fall into your life because you have that trust and faith in life, in the flow of life, in whatever has happened with you, and you step into a new reality. So you should never manifest what already has gone from your life because past was just like a classroom. हर क्लास में हमारे पास कुछ बुक्स होती हैं, ठीक है, हम वो बुक्स लर्न करते हैं, एक टेस्ट देते हैं, एग्जाम्स देते हैं, एंड जैसे ही वो बुक्स कंप्लीट होती है वी मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्लास. सो लाइफ इज़ जस्ट लाइक ए क्लासरूम. जब हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में जाते हैं तो हम नई बुक्स और नए लेसन्स पढ़ते हैं, हम एग्ज़ाम देते हैं, वी मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्लास. सो लाइफ इज़ द सेम. अब होता क्या है कि जो भी हमने क्लास 5th या 6th में फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल कुछ सीखा, वो हम अपनी लाइफ में कैसे अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, उन बुक्स का सिर्फ यही काम था. लाइफ इज़ जस्ट द सेम. So those lessons were just a part of you so that you could actually evolve in life, okay? So your reality is already present there. It's just waiting for you to actually let go of the old things. And letting go is not about forgetting. It's about accepting. It's about reclaiming your energy and trusting the flow of life.